Did you know? In a world filled with diversity, Islam stands as a beacon of peace, love, and guidance. It is a way of life that inspires millions to seek light through faith and good deeds. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a timeless source of wisdom and guidance. Islam teaches us to connect with Allah through acts of worship, prayer, fasting, charity, and pilgrimage. Charity is a cornerstone of Islam, a reminder to share our blessings with those in need. Islam celebrates diversity, calling all believers as one ummah, a global family united by faith. From the golden age of knowledge to inspiring modern innovation, Islam continues to shape the world with its teachings and values. Islam is more than a religion. It is a way of life that brings peace to the heart and purpose to the soul.